Alright guys, back again with another video, and today we will make a sweet, amazing intro for your YouTube channel. So let's go. All you have to do is create a free account and go into create video. We will go into intros and logos. And here you have a bunch of sweet intros to work with. I mean, they are amazing. So we will specify our search a bit with gaming for our intro. And you just have to scroll through these and look and get a feel for what you're searching for. But I saw something before. Oh, this one, sci-fi smoke portal. I mean, look at this. Yeah, this will be our demo today. So all you have to do is create now, and it will load up the intro maker. So here I will just put in my logo. I have already done one myself. But if you don't have a logo, you can just simply create one in this tool as well. All you have to do is create logo and it will take you straight to the logo maker. If you're unsure, check out my other video regarding this. So here is my logo. Solo story, I won't let you down except falling. Yep, story of my life in Apex Legends. So I won't need to add any text here because I have it already as a tag in my logo itself. So we will check our style. We don't have any style to choose. Usually you can choose different themes and colors. Only font this one. I think it's because this one is a bit more advanced. And if you want to check how the end results will look, you can only have a snapshot. So you will need to click on this and it will render a snapshot for you and see how it turns out. Yeah, nice. So next up, music. We want some nice music, and they have a library which is packed with music. So we'll take something nice. Yeah, I like the dubstep one. Sorry about the high music volume. Add it, and we'll just turn down the volume a notch to like 60%, I think will be great. Done. Preview, and always start with a low quality render with watermark just to see how the product and content looks. And if you are satisfied with it and you want to have it, then you can pay for it and export a high definition 1080p resolution version of it. Alright, so it's done rendering and we have our final product. Let's check it out. I mean, amazing. Sure, we can tweak the audio a bit to make it more lower or higher if you want, but this was great. So if you're satisfied with it, just go with 1080p, download. If you have an account and you're paying for it, it's just fine. You will just export it with one credit. If not, then you can export it per video also. Alright, so this was a short but sweet video on how to create an amazing gaming intro for your YouTube channel. And in the next video, we will go through the video creator templates and how to make an educational video. So stay tuned.